Hello guys, welcome to Skill Master. Today we are going to see the Grand League team for Vinci Premier League T10, which will be played between 4 Charlotte Strikers and Botanical Garden Rangers. So today there are very important things because yesterday they played one match and today we can see some Grand League combination. In that mainly, let's create the team and I will explain regarding players. Wayne Harper is a good keeper. Yesterday also we can see he scored this point with stumping and catching only. Okay, so is important pick, and in this side, it means this BGR side, there are good bowlers like Kemal Williams and Kesrick Williams and Providence like that. So I think it's better if you take Wayne Harper over Aksha. And in this batsman section, we can see Jair Walter is selected by 84% of people. I think people don't know about him. He is not so good player. He is not a good batsman. Sometimes he bowls, but he not performed in single occasion. Also, he not performed well. So Bascombe is a must pick. Arnold Thomas is a must pick, and Gerald Pope is a must pick. Gerald Pope is also a good choice for captain and vice captain in Grand League, and no other better option are there. In all-rounder section, see people are taken Kiran Kota and they don't know that he will not bowl this season. I think yesterday I heard that commentator said he is injured, so I think it's a good risk to take to drop Kiran Kota. Ketan Lavia is a good player, but yesterday underperformed. Chelton Stowe also a good bowler. He is a bowling all-rounder. Chelroy Williams is a good bowler, but is a left-arm orthodox. So I think he will be important pick of today. And in bowling section, clear-cut choices are Kemali Williams, Sir Kesrick Williams, Ray Jordan, Kemali Williams, and Sham Brown. Why Sham Brown? Sham Brown is Shakil Brown. Why means he is the important player of this side. Last season he also performed very well and he can take some wickets. Even Jeron Willie also is a good player, and Rashid Frederick is an important pick. If you want to take risk in place of S. Williams or Ketan Lavia, you can take Rashid Frederick. I think in this match today definitely there are going to be minimum 14 to 15 wickets from both the side. So that's why you can take many bowlers, as many as you possible. And in this combination, still if you want to take some more risk, you can take by dropping Kemali Williams. You can take D. Cottle. Why D. Cottle? D. Cottle yesterday completed 2 overs and he might be dropped today, but he is a bowler. He is a young player and young bowler. He's a new player. He performed well in domestic season, so I think another one chance will be given to him. But if you don't want to take risk, definitely you can follow the earlier combination with Kemali Williams and Ketan Lavia. If you don't want that, if you want to take the risk, Ketan Lavia is a very important pick, but if you want to drop him also, you can drop him and easily take Rashid Frederick with Kemali Williams. This is the combination for Grand League of today's game. Please follow me, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any doubt, please comment below, and if any suggestion, any requirement is there, definitely you can ask me. I will do the better. And in this team there are many good captain choices. If you see, people actually selected Kiran Kota as the captain majorly. You can see 24% people are selected Kiran Kota as the captain. So by dropping him, you will get 2 benefits. One is the common captain you don't have. If he is underperforming, definitely your team will be better performing. And second one is the selection percentage is very high. If he is underperforming, that is a beneficiary for us. So in this team, you can definitely select Kesrick Williams and Rashid Frederick as captain and vice captain, even Shakil Brown. Otherwise, if you ask me, Gerald Pope is a very important and good choice for captaincy, and with him you can select Arnold Thomas. Why Arnold Thomas means last season he was the second highest run scorer for this team. So definitely he is a good choice for captaincy, But if you think that he may score around 30 runs and 30-40 runs, and he will get around some 60-70 points, and that will be equal to a person who is taking 2 wickets. So I think it's better to take captains who can bowl and bat too. So better to take Chelton Stowe, Kemali Williams, Kesrick Williams, and Rashid Frederick as captain and vice captain. Thank you guys. Thank you very much.